Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to my videos. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to install all kinds of stable diffusions. Really simple. So I found out there's this thing called stability matrix. Yeah, so you can hop on its GitHub page and download it. So there's one-click install and update for Stable Diffusion Web UI package. It's like a launcher with other things that you could think of. So it's support for Reforge, Forge, A111, A111, TREC SDWebui, SDX, Focus, Comfy UI. I think it contains most of the things here, and they're really popular, and we just use these things. There's not much difference between them. I'd suggest you to use Forge and Comfy UI. Forge has a lot of optimization that the team has done to it, and it's like 2 or 3 times faster for most people. Well, the worse your card is, the better the performance. Well, I've used SE Forge on those RTX 4070. The quality is probably the same, not much improved, but the speed, it's probably like a few seconds faster for most of the time. But for like some old card like mine, the GTX 1050 Ti, it doubles, sometimes triples the speed. Well, so for those who have like low performance card, I would suggest you to use this SD Forge. The Coffee UI is a really simple UI, and they're so optimized that it's even faster than the SD Forge. But in contrast, it is really hard to use, and you have to invest a lot of time to know how to use it. Okay, so that's enough talk and bullshit. So when you got into the stability matrix, you can hop into here, the release, and you find the link. Well, you should find the link for yourself here. Well, there's a Linux, MacOS, and Windows. Well, for Windows, you have to use 64-bit PC. I think now everyone has a 64-bit PC. It's not like 2014. Okay, and when you download this, there will be a zip files. Yeah, inside there will be a file called stability matrix. You like this. I'll show you. Downloads. Yeah, I already have stability matrix. I'm gonna open stability matrix. Okay. Yeah, basically it will look like this. There will be a file in it, and you will drag it out into your anywhere you like, and you open it. It will run just like this first, and it will ask you if you want to install any kind of package. You can click a package, and there is so much SD for you to choose from, and it's really easy to install. Like for example, you just click in and you click install. Done. Yeah, all done. So it's really simple how you install it. Okay, and there's inference where you could adjust, like when you use Comfy UI. For example, when you use Comfy UI, you find the UI too complex and you hasn't understand anything yet, and you're just a newbie, you're just a beginner, and you want to try to make a image to test out what is the performance, how's the performance of Comfy UI. You can go through here and choose the sampler, choose schedule. This is like sampling method, the steps, the CFG scale, the resolutions, the add-ons. There's control net, layer diffuse, flux guidance, all kind of things here. So the most things here are enough, and you can text to image, image to image, upscale, and image to video here. And there's a prompts and style here, and you click generate image here, and the output will be right here. So it's pretty great, right? And they have integrate a lot of things here. And well, you can go to checkpoint manager, and you can install a lot of things. There's after detailer. I've installed some most of things here, not most of things, many things here, but it's compulsory. Well, we have control net here. Well, in a modal browser, there's a modal browser. This is directly linked to CIVITAI, and they auto download for you those models that are compatible with your Stable Diffusion. So it's pretty great here. This is on CIVITAI. You can download any, for example, I want to download realistic fiction, which is a very famous checkpoint for SD1.5. Here, you can search for it, show up. On here, this is Huggingface, where you can download other models that they're mostly features. Okay, mostly features for your Stable Diffusion. This is the output folder. Well, it just show your creations. Yeah, and this is the workflow where you can install, download workflow from others. This is specifically for Comfy UI. For those who use Comfy UI, when you want to do something like make like do upscale or make yourself into animation, but you don't know how to do it, or you know but you don't want to waste too much time investing in it, then you would download a workflow, which is like a presets from people who have already done it, and it follows like an instruction. Yeah, so that's basically everything for stability matrix. And thanks you guys for stopping by and watching my videos. See you next time.